Why would they reincarnate into an animal? Because when you act like an animal, you behave like an animal, when you walk around without clothes like an animal, where you commit adultery like an animal, like a dog doesn't have any loyalty to his wife, like a bull doesn't have loyalty to his wife, like all types of animals don't have loyalty to their husband. These types of things are at the very least one of the reasons how a person can express their animalistic side and thereby acquire themselves a horrible punishment of being reincarnated as an animal.